When you think of Mitsubishi, you imagine strength, reliability, and innovation. For decades, the brand has been known for its rugged SUVs and dependable vehicles. But now, Mitsubishi is stepping into a new era of travel luxury, and it's something you've never seen before. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's an entire home on wheels designed to transform the way you travel, explore, and live on the road. Imagine the perfect balance between Japanese engineering precision and futuristic comfort. That's exactly what Mitsubishi has created with its all-new 2026 Motorhome. Built on an advanced platform that combines cutting-edge hybrid technology with sustainable design, this motorhome promises to take travelers into the future of road trips. Unlike conventional campers, this is a masterpiece that blends elegance, technology, and practicality in a way that makes every journey unforgettable. On the outside, the Mitsubishi Motorhome immediately makes a bold impression. The design is sleek yet muscular, with clean aerodynamic lines and a wide front grille proudly carrying the Mitsubishi emblem. LED matrix headlights illuminate the road ahead with perfect clarity, while the futuristic tail lamps extend across the rear in a continuous light strip, giving it a premium and high-tech identity. The body is constructed using lightweight aluminum and carbon-reinforced panels, which not only improve durability but also enhance fuel efficiency and performance. Large panoramic windows wrap around the vehicle, giving passengers breathtaking views of the outside world while flooding the interior with natural light. This motorhome is built for power as much as comfort. Under the hood, it features a next-generation plug-in hybrid system, blending a turbocharged petrol engine with dual electric motors. Together, they deliver over 500 horsepower, ensuring effortless cruising whether you're driving on highways or navigating mountain routes. On pure electric mode, the motorhome can travel up to 180 kilometers, making it eco-friendly for short trips. With fast charging capabilities, it can recharge in under 40 minutes, keeping you ready for the next leg of your adventure. Advanced all-wheel drive ensures maximum grip and stability, making this motorhome as confident in the city as it is on rugged terrains. But the true magic lies inside. Step through the automatic sliding door, and you're welcomed into a world of modern luxury that feels like a five-star hotel. The Mitsubishi Motorhome's interior is crafted with Japanese minimalism in mind: clean lines, high-quality materials, and a focus on both comfort and functionality. The living space features a spacious lounge area with reclining leather seats that can be converted into beds. A large smart glass window acts as both a viewing panel and an entertainment screen, capable of displaying movies, navigation maps, or even becoming opaque for privacy at the touch of a button. The kitchen is a marvel of compact design. It includes an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a microwave, and plenty of counter space with retractable surfaces. Everything is designed to save space without compromising usability. With built-in AI assistance, the system can suggest recipes, control appliances with voice commands, and even manage your energy consumption to ensure efficiency during long trips. The dining area is seamlessly integrated with the lounge, offering a foldable table and ambient LED lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. Whether it's a quiet dinner for two or a family gathering, the space adjusts to your needs effortlessly. Moving to the rear, the master bedroom is where true relaxation begins. A queen-sized memory foam bed ensures you sleep in absolute comfort, while the room's panoramic skylight allows you to stargaze at night. Built-in climate control ensures the temperature is always perfect, and the smart lighting adjusts itself according to your circadian rhythm, helping you wake up naturally. The bathroom is equally impressive, equipped with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a self-cleaning toilet system. Mitsubishi has also integrated water purification technology, meaning you can refill your supply from natural sources while ensuring safe, clean water wherever you go. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. Every aspect is controlled through an advanced AI-driven interface called Mitsubishi Travel Companion. It connects to your smartphone, wearables, and even smart home devices, letting you monitor energy levels, route navigation, weather conditions, and vehicle health in real time. The motorhome also includes full 5G connectivity, turning it into a mobile hub for work and entertainment. Whether you're streaming movies, holding video conferences, or uploading travel vlogs, you'll always stay connected on the road. Safety is another area where Mitsubishi has left no stone unturned. Equipped with autonomous driving capabilities, the motorhome can take over long highway stretches, reducing driver fatigue. Advanced sensors and cameras provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings, while features like collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking make sure every journey is secure. For added peace of mind, biometric security systems protect access to the vehicle, so only authorized users can enter. Sustainability has also been a major focus in this design. The roof is fitted with high-efficiency solar panels that help recharge the battery and power essential systems. Inside, the use of recycled and eco-friendly materials demonstrates Mitsubishi's commitment to the environment. This is a motorhome built not just for adventure, but for a greener future. For travelers, families, digital nomads, or anyone who dreams of exploring the world in comfort, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome represents freedom on a whole new level. It's not just about getting from one place to another.